Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. So absolutely perfect how currently the waves adhere here to the Elliott wave count, the bullish count at the moment, but this could still be the bearish count or the bearish scenario as well. So don't get too bullish. I told you, yeah, we need to first break substantially above 1280 to get better confirmation that we are indeed in an uptrend here, because this could still be a bit of a fake out. But nevertheless, it is of course tradable, and therefore we looked at the bullish wave count here. So far it has been adhering to it. Yeah, we had a wave 1 from the low to the upside here at around 1280. Then we came down in a wave 2, and from what I labeled as wave 2 already here on the 1st of July, we have been moving up significantly, what you would normally expect in a wave 3. Now the target for that higher level wave 3 is somewhere up here. I think it was around $1,500, $1,600, but we are currently in the sub waves of that wave 3 in blue. So looking at those sub waves yesterday, yeah, we had here 5 waves complete, and this morning I think it was, and I told you that we will probably move now into the range here for that wave 4, which we reached after my video. So between $1,200 that was and $1,230. So this again, let me go to the 1 hour chart, and we already see a bullish reaction to it. Not enough yet to be to get super excited, but we had here first of all had the target for that wave 3. Let me just see where we got to again, just to remind myself as well. Yeah, we reached perfectly the target for that wave 3. I think I mentioned in the previous video that was here the area around 1280, the 1.618 FIB extension. After we reached it, then I made you aware that the retracement here of that wave will probably push us into this green target area here between 1200 and 1230, between the 23.6% FIB level and the 38.2% FIB level. Usually the 38.2 retracement level is the most likely one for a wave 4, and you can see we got to that level and we saw, yeah, I would say quite a strong reaction to it. And I posted that to the channel members on Telegram already earlier today. However, there's no guarantee that it is already finished, that wave 4. We could, in a little bit more of an extreme case, even move down to the 50% level at 1178, but primarily, yeah, I would have to expect it's over, because we have reached the 38.2% FIB level, but you know, there is no confirmation yet. Well, you could say we are breaking currently above the 23.6 level. Maybe that's first confirmation or indication that it is indeed over, especially as we see a bullish candlestick formation emerging here on the 1 hour chart at the moment. Now that would mean we are moving higher in wave 5. And we could also measure now a target for wave 5, and to do that we take the length of the wave 1. That is one likely target, yeah, that you normally can measure for a wave 5. We take the length of the wave 1, add it to the low of the wave 4. Now that assumes wave 4 is finished, yeah, because if wave 4 now eventually will come down a little bit lower, maybe to the 50% FIB retracement level, then that target will go down a bit as well. But for now we can estimate as target here for wave 5 would be the $1,330 level range. Okay, so sort of in this region, 1,330. That would be the 100% extension, the 1-to-1 ratio, which is a absolute likely target here for that wave 5. From there then, we would expect that wave 3 here in yellow is finished. I think I just moved stuff around here accidentally. Yeah, we would expect that this is finished, and we'll see a wave 4 retracement of that. Okay, so that is how we could climb up here. But very, very important, and that will be very important, honestly, is that we will move now in this move up, if it has started yet, that we move above the 1280 level. Highly important. It's an important resistance level, and it would confirm that we have a 5-wave move indeed here. Okay, so that's the important level still. Yeah, I just gave you the target. In this scenario, we should definitely not move below 1170. As long as we are above 1170, we can assume here further upside. A move below 1170 would invalidate this impulse, because with the wave 4 we would move into the wave 1 price region. Is not happening, or shouldn't happen. If it happens, it's not bullish anymore in this scenario. Then we might have something like a 1-2 or whatever. Yeah, we'll have to have a look then. Looking at this though, we can still, and that is at the moment still the primary expectation, because we are not yet significantly above that 1280 level. I just mentioned it in the Bitcoin video. I mean, we talked about it for the last week or so anyway, that the bearish scenario is still the primary one, because this could still very much be also a WXY pattern similar to Bitcoin, yeah, where we are here in the wave Y. And how high can wave Y go? Let's take a look. And again, I showed you that in the Bitcoin video as well. So just to explain, WXY is a corrective wave pattern. We can count this corrective as well. That would indicate, however, that then where the wave Y ends up here somewhere, this will be the completion of a wave 4, which means that afterwards we would come down in 5 waves below $880 and would then make a lower low, which would, yeah, and this is unfortunately at the moment still possible. Let's take a look from which level this will get less likely, and this would be the 100% extension, and that would be above oops, I just had it. No, it's gone now, but it was $13.94. So above basically $1,400, this will get much less likely. But we have at the same time this important structural resistance here. So already a move above that level would indicate with a higher probability, I think, that we are getting into the bullish scenario. But the ideal target for the wave Y is $1,400. So my view is, if we are in the bearish scenario, we should see some weakness here and not get necessarily through this resistance area. If we do, there is still a chance we could be in the WXY pattern until we break above $1,400. And that would not technically invalidate the WXY, but would make it much, much less likely. And unfortunately, that's where we are. You know, it's a space of probabilities, never certainties, and there is never certainty. There's never certainty, and we need to move significantly higher to really invalidate and completely remove the risk of going lower. So, however, yeah, probabilities go up as we see more evidence in the Elliott Wave patterns. And bear in mind, at the moment here on this higher level, let's say higher level picture, we've only completed, if this is the bullish breakout, a 1, a 2, and we only are in the 3. Then there will be a 4 down and a 5 up, which would again all be corrected again in an ABC pattern down, where there would be another entry point, yeah, possibly. So just to show you that, here you see it actually, it would be something like that. Yeah, 1 complete, 2 complete, 3 will be completed here, 4 down, 5 up. Then after that, in the bullish scenario, we should get a retracement in 3 waves, making a higher low. And again, here that might be another entry point then. And then we have really good evidence in the Elliott Wave patterns that the low is already in. So yeah, that's my view about Ethereum. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.